legs.
Pardon?
Oh, he's standing.
We were just talking about barky yolks.
Does he not bark at you?
No.
He's racist. He doesn't like Koreans.
He just thinks lunch. Girlfriend.
Cassie is gonna be off the market
He's already seen
soon.
enough of Gillian, so he's not interested.
What?
It's okay.
Is she all up in your space?
I know, dude.
Corey.
I know, it's all my fault.
I know. Use your words. Tell her how you feel.
Yeah, you're not turning down my eggs though, are you? Did Sand get some eggs?
What?
Did Sand get some eggs? He's still so skinny.
He's got a lot of jerks in.
You want to give the last 3 eggs